Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save music or audio from Instagram post or reel. For example, I'm going to save music from Instagram post, and this is the post that I want to save the music. So if we want to save the music from this post, we can simply click on this music option right here, guys. Then you can click on the save button to save the music like this. That's so easy, right? And if we want to check the where we save the music, we can click on our profile right here. Then wait guys, it's still loading, and you can click on this button. Then click on saved. Alright, and this is the music that we have just saved to our collection. Okay guys, that's how we can save music from Instagram post or reel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.